The Elite Gourmet ECT1027 is a two-slice cool touch toaster. It features an adjustable browning control, an auto shut-off function, and a slide-out crumb tray for easy cleaning. It also has a bagel function which toasts the inside and warms the outside of bagels. The cool touch exterior prevents accidental burns, and the toaster has a compact design for easy storage. To use the Elite Gourmet ECT1027 Cool Touch Toaster. 1. Fill the toaster with bread or bagels. 2. Adjust the browning control to desired level. 3. If toasting bagels, press the bagel button. 4. Push down the lever to start toasting. 5. When toasting is complete, the toaster will automatically shut off and the lever will pop up. 6. Remove the toasted item and enjoy. 7. Empty the crumb tray as needed for easy maintenance. Benefits of Elite Gourmet Touch Toaster. Safe to use with its cool touch exterior. Convenient bagel function. Adjustable browning control for desired toasting results. Auto shut-off for safety. Easy to clean with slide-out crumb tray. Compact design for simple storage.